How to check DMs on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. And now, in order to check your DM, make sure that you are signed in firstly and then tap on the arrow like icon on the bottom center of your screen, which is the DM icon. Here you will see a bunch of options with your DM. You can simply tap on any of the chat that you want to open and check the DM off. You can also tap on the create option on the top right of your screen and create a new chat if you want. So, this was about how you can check DMs on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.